Righto guys, so I've been out in the shed hard at work today. Dad's left me home alone to throw my BC Racing coilovers in. As you can see, I've got the disc off, all that yucky bearing in there. I've got the brake pads off. It's all coming out. Dog sleeping, another dog laying down. As you can see on this side, I've already done this side. Looking mint. Looks pretty good. I've just been down here, or out here today. Just getting all this done so Dad can throw his car up on the hoist, throw his wheels on, and then that means I can throw the walkies on. So yeah, been very motivated to do stuff today, get it done, so I can get this on the ground, get some new wheels on it. Rightio, so I've just popped that spring out, that strut, got the disc off, dirt went out everywhere, sitting in the top of that strut for too long. But yeah, got that one out. Just had to take the swing arm off, just to let it slide out a bit easier. So yeah, I'm just going to give the inside of these wheel wells a bit of a paint, and then I'll be able to throw the BC Racing coilover in, put it all back together, and yeah. Rightio, as you can see, both front struts are out, and the new BC Racing coilovers are in. So now I can say my car has cool suspension. Looks sick. This one was a bit easier to put in, just because I kind of knew what I was doing, because I just tested on the other one and then just smashed that one out in maybe 15 minutes. So yeah, looks pretty good.
Is that oil or?
Cool.
No. Where did that come from?
Probably when I pulled that off ages ago.
Better hose that out. So Brad, Rockynats is in a week. We are driving to Rocky in 7 days. Is your car ready?
I'm pretty sure it is.
What have you been doing to it?
Lots of stuff. So obviously we've been finalised the intake manifold, which looks mint.
So you got your little last episode. You showed the little bit that we cut off there. So you got your filter. There's a air temp sensor stuck in there.
Yep. Lots of stuff. Threw Dad's old BC Racing coilovers in on the front. You can't really see them, but they're there somewhere in there. Got the strut caps on, bling up my engine bay a little bit. Got the fat walkies on there, making it look a bit better. And then,
heaps better.
yeah, done some tidying up inside the car, like vacuuming. Got the fire extinguisher mounted down in there. Hopefully we won't actually be needing that.
It looks really good, eh? I had a look in the back the other day. It looks, have a look how tidy it is.
Looks a bit tidier now. Got my old ugly dump pipe off. So now it actually looks half normal.
So, what's next?
I don't know.
Oh, we did all the LED
Oh yeah.
bulbs, didn't we?
Got all the indicators working, reverse lights, brake lights, all new bright bulbs so they're not really dull. Also did the front lights too. The new LED front lights.
Give us a look.
We'll look at the backs first because the backs will turn on.
Oh, okay.
They probably don't look that bright on camera, but
Headlights?
headlights.
Got that.
So if you scoot round the front,
Excuse me, chili. They're bright. They look good. Did you clean them too? Yeah.
They're brand new. And we did some tuning to get the engine kind of running better.
Yeah.
But basically what we need to do now is take it for drives, don't we? So we can get some logs
On private roads.
Well,
And you got your learners too, didn't you?
yeah.
Yeah.
Got your learners. So you know all these jobs that we've been doing and ticking off and getting the car ready for Rockynats, and I've been stressing about whether we're going to get it ready for Rockynats. There's also another car
That rig.
that we're getting ready for Rockynats. That was all the things that was on a roadworthy checklist. So now that we've done all those things, it's roadworthy. And it's registered.
Not officially.
No, it is.
So it's registered to the drive.
Yes, and insured.
Ooh.
So we could go for a drive today, legally.
You could drive it
You could drive.
I could drive it.
legally today.
Nice. Big shout out to Dad. Wouldn't have done it without him. That's cool.
Yeah. So we can go for that and
can
fill it up with
legally
fuel.
drive it.
So
Yes.
you've had this for 2.5 years and we've been sticking fuel cans in it
Yeah.
to keep it up with fuel. Now you can actually go to a service station.
And fill it up yourself because you're 16.
Yeah.
And it'll be like $3 a litre
Yeah.
because it's World War III's happening and fuel prices are massive. So
You'll see how much it's going to cost to run.
yeah. Anyway, so let's go and do that.
Yeah.
And then I can start doing a bit more tuning with Haltech and get that sorted, and then I can start doing some tuning on that one.
Yeah.
So
Right.
Brad's first drive legally.
Legally.
Legally, we keep throwing that line in there.
Yeah.
We don't have to look for a car trailer anymore.
No.
All right, let's do it. Ready to give it a boot full onto the highway?
Hopefully.
Keep going then. You're not even at 80. No, I haven't hooked up yet. You're overdrive.
I wonder what everyone will be thinking when they be like, oh, there's a nice VL. Oh, it's an L plater.
They'll be thinking, that lucky bastard.
Don't swear, Mum.
But that's what they'll be thinking.
I'll be thinking he's driving mum or dad's car.
Yeah.
Or something like that. Yeah. How much fuel have you got?
Does my fuel gauge actually work?
Yeah. Just don't let it get below, like, I think he ran out at 15% or something the other day. I'll have to adjust that. Hey Brad,
Yeah.
what's going on?
Filling up my rig.
You paying for it?
70.
Oh, look out. Okay, so it's full. So Brad,
1 hour and
you didn't drive the whole time.
28 minutes.
How'd you go, Brad?
Yeah, pretty good.
Did a big lap into town.
Yep.
What did we find out? That your exhaust rattles.
That my exhaust rattles.
We haven't wired up the overdrive switch, so it's just always in overdrive, so there's no sort of third gear. It's just first, second overdrive.
Yep.
Fix that. Some of your windows rattle around because the Bailey channel's wrecked.
Yep.
So you got to fix that. And it doesnn't have aircon. So
It
mum
does not have aircon.
mum gets too hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
The whole time.
Yeah.
I'm too hot. Whole time.
But everything else went good, eh?
Yeah.
Drove right. Obviously, there's still that whole hesitation on tip-in that we got to tune out.
Yeah.
But she's ready to go. Ready for Rockynats.
Ready for Rockynats.
Except for all the things that we have to fix.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet.